Now, quick lead records is the flow. Now, I'm going to debug. If I debug now, it's not going to do everything. I just want to use it for demonstration's sake because we've actually not done what you're supposed to do. I've not matched this what I've created with existing record, existing lead on my platform. So let me just run. So let me enter King as the first name, Rosso. King Rosso, KJB, 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 LLC. Phone number, don't mind me. Then lead source is going to be web. Oh, yeah, let me say inquiry. Lead industry, let me say it's agriculture. Lead status, let me say working contacted. All those ones that is showing red, that means they are required field. Auth, you see, revenue. That is error. I know there's an error, but I just want to do it to go and so that you understand what I'm doing next. I want to commit that error with this debug. That is yeah. Any record that that flow was ready to create, update, delete were committed, and this thing. Now, as it is, I need to work further on it. I'm gonna face. It's saying all done, finished, but I know there is something I need to do to make it to get record. So I need to add one more thing to my um that will make it create record. So that it will not be floating. So I will add create record. This means I just added create record now. You see how the journey started now. I'll continue to add stuff to it. New create record. Create record. Quick create lead. Create lead record. Create quick lead record. Then I'm gonna how many records to create? Is it one? One record at a time. How to set the record fee? Use value from a record. Use separate resources and literal value. So what object are we dealing with? Lead. You see now, this is where now I will be matching. Gradually, I'm going to be picking the lead, all those the existing field from lead record to match with what I just created on this lead on the flow builder, all the feed I created. You know, I will call this one first name. Then it's going to match with the first, whatever I use in doing it is also first name. I will add another one. I will add another one. Last name. You see now, I pick last name. You see now, I'll pick another one. Um, I've done last name. I've done, let me do phone, a company. Let me do company. It's also going to flow with company. Let me add lead source. It's going to pick what? Lead source. Let me add lead status. This is the status. Then lead status. Let me add. I've not done industry. Industry. Let me add industry. Industry. I've not done phone. I've not even done rating. Then I pick rating. Lead rating. I've not done um, annual annual revenue. Annual revenue. I think I've I've touched everything. Let us pay if there's anyone I've not done. I've not done phone number. That would have been a problem. Phone number. So what am I doing now? I'm matching it with my field that I already have on um is the mobile phone number I want to match it with the phone number. So it's going to correlate with phone number, mobile phone, annual revenue is correlate with annual revenue. So data is incompatible. So don't mind though. Don't let me create phone. I pick phone, so phone number. So it should be compatible now. Uh-uh. Okay. I give a placeholder test. So Sister Dollar, take note of that. When I take the global, this it doesn't allow me. So I need to give it a placeholder so that it can absorb it. Now, I believe every other thing has been given. And then let me save. Now I'm gonna save. I'm gonna save. Let me go and debug. Let me click on Jumoke, Jumoke, uh, Jumoke, uh, Jumoke Ola Company, um, Grades Incorporation, phone number, lead, lead source. Where is the lead coming from? Partner referral, biotechnology. Um, Open, not contacted yet. Hot, very hot. Annual revenue, 6 million. Click save. You see now, flow interview finished. That means everything is okay with my flow. And they made that is error, it will show error here, right? So, all well and good. Now let's go to the front end. Let me activate. Let me activate. Now I activate. Now that I activate now, after my flow is activated, I will go to the front end. From the front end now, let me close this one. Let me close this one. Let me close this one. Yeah, it's okay. I've activated it. Then we'll take this one down. I want to make it available at the front end now. Nothing has been done at the front end unless I have it. Now, I want a situation ordinarily because what Salesforce are customized here, they don't make it possible for me to edit page any longer for this home page. That is why I can't give it make it available on this home page. So let me go to project tracker. Still, the same home page is having the same issue. Oh, yeah, good. The home page here now. You see what I will do? I'm going to do for the home page. Um, I go to edit page. I'm going to even add two of them once and for all. Don't worry. You see what I will do now. Uh, uh, you see, it's here now. Next one now I want to add. I want to add flow to this place. Let me cancel this. Um, Maybe it's because it's a custom object that we created. That is why it's disappearing like that. Ordinarily, they won't make it. They wouldn't want us to be using this free org for our own business. You know, people can just have a small business that doesn't have more than two staff, employees. Then they'll be using it to run shows, to connect their customers and everything. But Salesforce will always try to do something to disrupt it. And that's why they don't give us more than two, three licenses, more than three licenses. After this one, you can, after me that I'm using it, or this free developer org, the software. If not, people will be using it to run their business for free. So quick lead. You see the quick lead now. I want to add it. So I'm adding it here. So it should be available. And let me click save. Let me see what will happen. Hey, this one has been added. I'm going back there, edit page. I will remove it and add it again here. The new one I just created now, you see it's there. So let me delete it. Okay, let me take it back again. Okay, now let me go and select it again. Message, welcome message. So let me save. Okay, now let me go back. You see now, this is a screen flow. We all can read it. Let's say you are my end users now. You can read it. You let us try and also do it on our own, from our own end. Make it dynamic and do all sort of things like that with it.
Right, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.